Binance Coin may show a 2.40% dip tomorrow, coin data flow suggests. To start off, here's where the market currently stands. At this point, Binance Coin has dropped 1.30% over the last day and is trading near $881. Let's move into expert prediction mode. CoinLore gives a forecast of $884.87 by January 26, which would be 0.40% above today. Binance Coin might reach $882, according to Coin Price Forecast, about 0.10% above current price. Gulf Capital Collector points out the chance of reaching $877.33 lower, a projected loss of 0.40%. Another forecast released by CoinDataFlow sees potential for Binance Coin to slide to $860.12, a projected drop of about 2.40%. And to wrap up, Traders Union predicts $854.80 by January 26, a decrease of 3%. This one shows the highest return potential. Those are the predictions. Let's shift to what's next. After going through all 5 forecasts, here's the numeric view. Looking at the projections, the market could shift between a decline of 3% and a gain of 0.40%. When everything is tallied, Traders Union has the top return with 3% escalation in value by January 26. Based on these results, you could generate between $1 and $30 for every $100,000 you invest. Considering the odds, Coin Price Forecast leads with a 78.90% chance of success. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. The consensus scenario places Binance Coin roughly 1% below current price. Let's unpack the details together. The consensus view places the price 1% lower than current levels. In line with that same percentage, your capital could also register an increase. With $1,000 at stake, the outcome might suggest around $10 in return. The consensus scenario holds a likelihood of about 70.40% of taking shape. At this point in the analysis, let's review the 3-day forecasts. CoinLore notes that Binance Coin may continue to trade sideways, suggesting investors should not expect big moves during this horizon. For this period, additionally, Coin Price Forecast sees the price staying balanced. An upward path is anticipated by Gulf Capital Collector. A slide is anticipated by CoinDataFlow, with pressure on the downside. The outlook from Meanwhile Traders Union shows the price drifting lower. Looking at all the views combined, the consensus shows Binance Coin drifting lower. In conclusion, the majority of forecasts support a rising scenario, pointing toward Binance Coin advancing further. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they lined up with the market. As a result, the market finally closed at $887.10. 3 out of 5 analysts ended up correct about the trend. The most accurate forecast this round came from CoinCodex. Now let's open up the details. 2 forecasts landed within yesterday's daily candle. When it comes to ROI, several forecasts showed profits, and CoinLore reached 0.60%, the highest among them. And now, take a look at the table. All verified results together. From the table, Cryptonization reached 0.10% ROI and accuracy. Look at the numbers. Can you guess who performed best? Now let's see how Binance Coin's potential forecasted return compares with those of other assets. The leader in tomorrow's profitability outlook is optimism at 2.90%, with Binance Coin positioned below. For now, I've compared Binance Coin with just 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison and analyst performance overview will soon be published on my website and Telegram. Before you leave, like and subscribe so you can stay updated on analysts' forecasts without searching everywhere. Catch you in the next breakdown.